Hi, I'm Phil, and today I'm looking at strain gauges, and this strain gauge, which is over here, and let's see if we can get a close-up view of one. This is the strain gauge, and it has a amplifier, and it's the output port is Grove compatible, and there's an analog signal on the signal line of the Grove connector. Now that, I've got one here wired up, so you can see on a beam the strain gauge, and I've got a bit of sticky tape that's holding it down. Probably should have a better adhesive than that. And it's going into port 0 of the for the microbit computer via a BitMaker interface board. And I've also got a Seed Studio 4-digit LED display, and it's currently showing me the current strain that's been measured over here. And all of this beam comes from a house frame, which is part of the Thames and Kosmos kit for structural engineering. So I've taken one of the beams and I'm going to examine it, looking at what happens when I put a bit of stress and strain on it. So what's happening is the microbit is sending the data to a Windows PC computer, and you can see the graph. There's quite a bit of noise on that, but look what happens when I put a bit of force on the beam. So I'll put it under tension. So we'll put my fingers on it, and we'll go across, and you can see that that's been registered as a change. So you can see that at the moment, and so it's possible to use this strain gauge in models and do some analysis for structural engineering. That's all for the time being. Bye for now.